Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, you will be learning how to create dripping effect with your mobile phone in Pixellab. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Now on the Pixellab app, click on shape tool, then click on import. When click on import to bring in the image you want to use. Now this is the image, as you can see. Now you make it bigger, so you place it very well. Now after that, you click on the layer tool, then click on copy and paste. Now you make it 2, then lock it, the first one. When you lock it, now as you can see we locked it, then you make it invisible, then we use the other one. Now the next stage is to bring in our dripping effect. Now you place the dripping effect in front of the image we are using. Make sure it's aligned from left to right. Make sure it's centered there very well. So as you can see. Now after you are done, you click on the image, then you go to the mask tool so as to mask the image to the dripping effect. Click on mask, then you bring it down to edit it very well. So now that you've marked the area that you don't want to show, now you click on enabled. When you click on enabled, as you can see, the place you enabled, that means we don't want it to show, then you mark it as well. Wow, that's good, you're almost there. Now try to make sure it aligns from left to right is good. Now when we are done, the next thing to do is to merge it together. So to merge it together, you click on the layers tool, then as you can see, the first and the second one, that's it there. Click on the merge icon, then mark it, then merge. Are you sure? Okay, merge it. Wow, now it has become one. Now you go to color, click on color enabled. So you can use red, but the preferable color to use is white. So you change it to white, color white. Wow, that's good. Mark it. Now after that, we are going to draw an overlay. Click on shapes. So that's it. We are drawing this overlay. We are drawing an overlay. Then you give it color, or any color you like. I'm using color blue for this tutorial. So then you bring it to the top, both of them, the first one and the second one. Yes. Now you merge the white and the color blue together. That is the white and the overlay, merge it together. Then click on the merge icon there below, then mark it, then click on merge. Okay, now you merge it together. After that, the next stage now is to erase color. Then click on erase color enabled, increase the tolerance, then you mark it. Wow, we're almost there. Now click on layers tool. Now make it visible again, so as to make sure it aligns with the not this, we are not moving this. So that is the image, the back we have to move so as to be in yes, you have to lock it first, then the image at the back, move it, make sure it aligns with the space there, make sure it's placed very well. Now we are done arranging it very well. Now the next thing to do is to give it stroke, but this is not compulsory. You can decide to give it stroke and you can decide not to give it stroke. Then the next thing to do now is to make sure what we merge it together. Click on layers tool, then click on the merge icon again, mark it both, then merge. Are you sure? Okay, and click on OK. Now it has been merged together. The next thing is to click on erase color enabled, then the color picker, then move it outside. Yes, then mark it. Wow, you can also increase the tolerance a little bit. As you can see, we're getting our dripping effect. So lovely, so lovely. Now let us add some beauty to it. So let us give it some beauty. So the next thing to do now is to little bits, so as to add some effect to it to make it look beautiful. So after that, mark it. Now let us bring in our other effect. Now you click on shape tool, click on shapes to bring in the color that is for the background. Then you can give it any color, but I'll be choosing this color, the brown color. Then you mark it, then bring it to the back, down to the front. As you can see, move it to the front. So let us make it centralized. Let us bring it in the middle. I think that's good in the middle. Now let us bring in the other effect to make it beautiful. So before we do that, let us lock it first, then click on shape, then click on import to bring in the effect. Wow, love this. So as you can see, with the splash effect, make it more beautiful. Also with the effect at the back, so give it another look and give it another meaning to make it look more meaningful. Wow, now we are done. To save the work, now you click on the icon at the top that looks like a diskette, then you click on save as image, then dimension, you click on ultra, then click on ultra, then save to gallery. Then this is the outcome. Wow, that's good. So beautiful. If you are watching this video tutorial and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now, then click on it again, click on all for you to get all notifications. Kindly drop your comments on what you think about this video tutorial and give it a thumbs up. Also remember to share this video across your socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.